I'm S.K. Malhotra, Managing Director, Interface Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. Uh, Basically, everybody knows since last so many years we are participating here, and we are in the business of immunotherapy, immunomodulation, and we don't allow any disease to come easily, and if it has come, so it will be checked immediately by using immunomodulator. In immunotherapy, we suggest one should go for total from day old till culling or till marketing. And with the immunotherapy, we have taken FCR of as low as 1.095 for 2 kg body weight. For 2.5 kg body weight, our FCR has never gone beyond 1.4 kg. In layers, we do commit, and with immunotherapy, we are getting much more than what are the standards been prescribed by companies. Like in BV300, we have taken 339.3 eggs in 72 weeks, and in our trials we kept bird right up to 162 weeks, when we were getting in 162 weeks without molting 84-85% production. In breeders, our highest hatching egg collection was 201.4 eggs, and as the company is prescribing that there will be almost 188 hatching eggs, but in our case we get much more than that. Just few minutes back, I was having a client who are regular user of our product, Thatkeshwar HC. They never got, if we see the average of 5 flocks, it will always be coming somewhere around 187, 189 hatching eggs. So that is there. In layers and broilers and breeders, we are getting much more than the standards by protecting bird. And even in our flocks where immunotherapy is going on, we don't find any health issue has come. If HPI has come, it has been controlled in 2 to 72 hours. Production is no problem, and moreover, disease is hardly we see any disease in the farms where immunotherapy is going on.
And what's the customer's reaction after talking?
Customer reactions, we have 100% retention of our products ever since the company was launched. Almost we are 26 years plus old, and some of the farmers are associated with us from the very beginning when we were doing initial trials and all that. And farm satisfaction, I can say it is 99.99%. So we don't see anyone is annoyed. Some people, they say that our products are very costly.
Yeah.
Okay, but my answer to them is this: if you don't get 1:3, if you are giving us 1 rupees and you are not getting 3 rupees, come to us. We will make it not only 1:3, we will make it 1:5. In our broilers, breast portion is almost 5 to 7% extra. In and overall carcass is also around 5 to 7% extra. So if you get more muscles and tender meat, definitely it is quality. It will be much better, and it will be acceptable in the market. Moreover, we get tested eggs from all the farms who are on our immunotherapy to assess the efficacy, and we get it checked periodically for the Salmonella, E. coli, aerobic plates, or this Enterobacter, Listeria. We don't find anything in that. No listeria, no salmonella means you can sell your product anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
So that is there.